just wanted to be in the food industry, and now I can do it on my terms, thank God, and I'm just looking forward to it, so it's definitely a passion. It's been a concept in my mind for a long time. I retired from the police department for 32 years, and I've always wanted a restaurant of some sort. I think food and people, it just comes together for a good time, and I think I'm a people pleaser, and that's how it kind of all came together. Definitely choose one fat frog for your truck construction, and make sure when you come you ask for Chef Killian, who has been awesome in this entire process. Communications through Chef Killian was open, so it kept me aware of what was going on. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. It's been a long time coming.
It has
God
been, and
is good.
I'm so happy for you.
God puts everything in perspective, and things come when it's supposed to.